Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will inform you that I just uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button and ring that bell, and you'll be all set. Also, right underneath the video there is a thumbs up. That helps on the YouTube platform, so if you'll take a second and press that, that will help me grow on the YouTube platform, so I'm thanking you in advance for that. Just so you know, on my channel what I try to do is do informative videos on either getting deals or boxes that I've chosen to share with you. Even if you don't get the boxes, the information on the products is what my channel is all about, because I never used to get boxes, but I would tune into YouTube to see more information on some products that might have been of interest to me, and that's what I look for as well. So I wasn't finding that, so that's why I share more information on my channel about the products. All right, today we are going to be doing the Allure Beauty Box. This one is for December 2020. This came really, really late in the month, but the month of December, it has been, I'm still waiting even after this one for one more box of a subscription that I've never gotten this late either. So I know a lot of people are in the same position, so I just wanted you to know that this did arrive late as well. With Allure, we get a brochure. And I really enjoy this brochure because what it is, it's written by the editors and people that work for Allure. And what they do is they give you their perspective on how they use the products and why it was chosen to be in the box. So I like listening to that because it's no different than me telling you how I enjoyed a product. Also, there's some promo codes that they give. I always leave those in the description box down below. It's a little extra work, but I use it also for myself, that after I start using the product, if it's something I enjoy and I want to repurchase, a discount code is always nice to have. So I wanted to share that with you guys as well. All right. Also, last thing, all my links for any of my boxes or anything that I talk about, they're all in alphabetical order down below. And if you're interested in anything, just press those links and it will bring you directly to the products. And if there's anything that's, points or products or whatever, that's all written down below for you guys as well. So just wanted to share all that with you guys. So let's go through this quickly and see what we got, because like I said, I'm not sure, how many people got their boxes or how many got them late. I have really not, I've done a lot of filming, and because of Improving Lifestyles, our business, December is a crazy month for us as well. So my time to be able to watch and enjoy and see others, I really haven't had. So hopefully I'm not the last one to be able to show this to you guys, because some of these products I'm really intrigued about. Oh, just so you know, this is now a $23 or $24 a month box. I locked in for that full year, which I shared with you. I also get sneak peeks when my magazine comes, and I share that with you too for what is going to be in the following month. I'm still under the $15, just so you know. So let's go through here. All right. The first product that we have is the one that I'm really excited about. There's actually two in here that really got me excited about this month's box. So this is from Ciate London, and I have been enjoying their full edit palette that we got in BoxyCharm, and I really, really have been enjoying that one. So when I saw that there was going to be a smaller version, similar to what I think is the the Huda Obsession palettes and things like that. That is what this one looks like here. I'm really was so excited, and it's just as beautiful in person as I thought it was going to be. So really happy to have gotten this. So what they wrote about this one, they said this is a Ciate London Trend Edit palette, and this they're saying is a $24 value, and there is going to be a 20% promo code that I will leave, like I said, down below. And this one says, if you love coppers, deep red, spicy browns, and the person that wrote this, her name is, I think it's pronounced Johanna. That's what she looks like there. Beautiful, beautiful. And she wrote that, yes, she does as well. She also mentioned, do you already have enough of these colors in your collections of shadows? She applied yes, but the Ciate London palette is worth adding to her stable. For her, the key to a good palette is options. It leaves the house for a trip, and she packs one palette and nothing else. She mentions that she has everything she needs to create a complete look. The Ciate London palette also gives her that 1 of the 9 shades included, 4 are neutral browns, which are great crease color options, and 5 shades are shimmers. Each is creamy and rich, plus its compact size doesn't take up much space in her makeup bag. And if you need to reapply your shadows, you can do it by using the mirror that's included. So there is a full-size mirror on the top. So that's the first item that we got. The next item that we received is from, and if we have time, I will try to swatch these guys at the end. The next one is the one that I was really intrigued about. And I know a few other people got this in some other subscription boxes, which I get those subscription boxes too, but I didn't get this product and I never saw it available for me to purchase in all those extra sales. And this is from this company called Mudmasky, and it's a Leave Me On Winter Mask. And I love leaving on sleeping masks and things like that. So I'm really, really intrigued about this one. And this one was written by Talia, and that's what she looks like here. And this is a full size. And this is a $45.85 value. There is a discount code in this. Like I said, I'll leave that down below. And this one says she used to think that the only appropriate public place to apply a mask was on an airplane and then the Allure office. But this transparent Mudmasky cream is undetectable. She likes to mix it with a few drops of a hyaluronic acid serum before generously spreading the mask all over her face. This cream has a white appearance, but as soon as it touches your face, it sinks in, leaving no residue, nor does it pill. The formula contains a blend of oils, including jojoba and argan, and soybean, which is jam-packed with vitamin E, perfect for fighting environmental stressors and extreme temperature changes, like going from warm, heated indoor areas to the cold and windy outdoors. I live in Florida, and it is below 50 today, and it has been this way for a couple of days, so this is one that I'm going to enjoy, and we'll do a little swatch of that at the end. This one here is from Caudalie, and this is a very expensive brand, and I think this is the product that's made in France. I can't see anything out here. Let me see if I can see. And this is a product that hopefully you'll be seeing in a future True Wants Need a Bag. This is, yeah, it's made in France, and this one, the company is a UK company. And that's what this one looks like here. And this one, what it's called is the VinoSource Thirst Quenching Serum. This is obviously a sample size. The full size of this is $49. She says she's writing this, what she's writing here, the girl's name is Cara, and that's what she looks like there. And she mentioned that she wrote this in October, so most things about the end of the year are still unclear. They still are. But there's one thing you can pretty much always count on when the winter rolls around: dry skin. To counteract the cold wind and low humidity, she's using this product. Layering products and promising moisture over everything else is key when her skin starts to look red and flaky. Hydration is this serum's main name. Its key ingredients are hyaluronic acid, olive squalene, and organic grape water. Since there are no exfoliants, it's gentle enough to use twice a day. It's almost as lightweight as an essence, and it absorbs very quickly. Immediately after applying, my skin looks glowy and feels bouncy, as if it's been getting about 8 hours of sleep and as many cups of water on a daily basis. So we'll definitely be looking at that at the end of the video. The next item that we got is a liquid liner from a new brand to me, and this one is called BYME times my beauty brand. Isn't that great? And this one says, this was written by Nicola, and that's what she looks like over there. And what is written, it's a black liquid eyeliner. She says it has a sharp black eyeliner wing, has always been her defense against the world. No other makeup seems to give off the same leave me alone or else vibe. But I'm testing many formulas, and the BYME's black liquid eyeliner is her star. It's her star. The pigments are as dark as they come. The liner itself is very wet feeling, so it glides easily across the skin and dries down super quickly. The felt tip applicator is one of the stiffer ones, so providing just the right amount of control, and yet still has flexibility that you will need to pull off that perfect flick. Whether you're a winged eyeliner veteran or you're still learning the ropes, this pigment liner pen will likely end up on your wish list, and this is a $22 value. And like I said, we'll try to swipe everything at the end. The next item that we have in here is from La Roche Posay, and it came in this little box here. And La Roche Posay is a really nice brand. but they always seem to give us little samples for it. And this one is a Retinol B3 serum. And this, the full size of this will come in that bottle. And this is the person that's writing this information to us, and her name is Deanna. And it says that 8+ months of social distancing does strange things to your psyche. And since our skin is often a reflection of our state of mind, my once slightly finicky skin is now ultra sensitive. Not exactly a great time to start starting a retinol, but the blend contains vitamin B3, which is a niacinamide. It's known for decreasing inflammation and helping your skin retain its moisture, which makes it perfect match for retinol. After 2 weeks, her skin was noticeably brighter. After week 3, she felt confident logging on to a Zoom meeting with no makeup. And like I said, the full size of this is $39. They also have an advertisement on the back here for this brand, and they put one of their products in here, which is introducing the deep hydration. This Cetaphil is a really, really good brand, and I've had an opportunity to try their cleanser, but not much else. And this says it's their daily cream. And on here it says it's good for dry, dehydrated skin. So this box is really geared towards everybody, you know, getting into those winter months. And then there was a little surprise in here. There was this little bag that says Beauty Loot, which I think is so adorable. And inside here, there was this little sample size, and there's nothing on the card, but there was a little thank you on the inside here. And it says, we hope you enjoy this special gift. It's totally separate from your regular beauty box, and it's their way of showing how much we appreciate having you as a loyal member, which I think is really smart to put into a December box. And it looks like it's from the Giorgio Armani line, and it looks like it's a lipstick or a liquid lipstick that's in here. The color looks very vibrant, and it says it's an intense matte comfort lip color, and it's called Rouge Darmani Matte, and it's number 400, and that's what that looks like in there. So really excited about this. So let's do a little bit of swatching and see what these products are all about now that we know a little bit more about them. So that's what this one looks like here, and this looks like a beautiful, and it feels beautiful. And like I said, I've had the opportunity to try other eyeshadows from this brand in their Edit palette. It was a huge palette. So to have a smaller size, and I have a wet facial wipe here and a dry towel right beside so I could just wipe my hands off. They really stayed on beautiful. They went on beautiful. They blended beautiful. So to get a mini, wow, look at that guy. Mini version of this, I think is really something. And this is really pretty. And it is an attainable price. So that I love that they introduced me to that, because I never would have known that they even made these type of size products. So that's what I love about the boxes. They introduce us not only to lines, but we get to test the products. And if we like them enough, we have the opportunity to know what the prices are if we want to repurchase. That is beyond stunning. This will definitely be used. Really pleased about that. All right, so that's the first item. The next one I wanted to see was the consistency of the Mudmasky. And let's see, there's a safety seal on here, so let me just wipe my fingertips off from here, and wish me luck on this, because I do not always have the best of luck when it comes to the, oh, this is a tough one. Oh, we did it. Okay, there it is here. And we're going to put a little bit on the side here. And like they said, it's going to come out like a white, which it did. And then they said it should disappear. So let's see, because I did put a lot. We'll see, you know, for a small area. Yeah, it does. So that's what that looks like there. And this is really nice because it feels very hydration. Like the moisturization is really nice. It feels, there's just a cream scent to it, not much, you know, much more. And as you see on my finger, it definitely penetrated in. Really pretty, really nice. So this is something that you put on as your last step before you go to bed. And I usually do these a little bit earlier in the evening, like 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, so that it has time to penetrate into my skin. And then when I go to bed, my pillow doesn't get it. My actual skin, it gets to enjoy the product. Now let's see what the consistency is of this one. Yeah, this is very lightweight. So it goes on, like you see that, but it's going to run a little bit. And this feels very much like an essence. What that means, the formula is thinner than a serum. So I would put this on right after, you know, you tone, you cleanse, you tone. the essence is what your next step would be before a serum. And that's really, really exciting to have the opportunity to use. The next one that we have here is from La Roche. This is their B3. And this one has one of those that you have to penetrate in. Because this is that, I'm going to leave this. It is a small product. So what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to put this in my travel bag if we ever get to do that again. And then I'll play with it then. And that's everything that we got. So this eyeliner, I'm also not going to open because she simply says it's a black eyeliner and it has a firm, she described it exactly like I would to you. So, and that's what the tip of it looks like there. And that's everything that I got in my box. So that's the end of the year, December 2020 Allure box. I am happy with everything that I received. But like I said, I'm under the $15. So that's how I view everything here. If you were to sign up for this today, they do have all these great specials that are going on also. My link is down below for this as well. They still have that if you buy for the whole year and you want to lock in a price, I would always write to customer service first to tell them what you want to do, because Allure really does work with people that write into their customer service. I got a huge mega bundle when I did it. So the lock-in not only gave me that $15 price, but it also gave me that huge over $200 worth of product. So the box already paid for itself, even if I was to pay the higher price based on how I locked myself in. Like I said, always go to their website, see what deals are offering if you do lock in. And if the new price doesn't seem like it's worth it to you, definitely write to customer service and tell them you want to test it out, but that price seems to be, not attainable to you, and see what they say. Because like I said, this really jumped from the 15 to 23. And I always like to write to customer service to see if, especially at Allure, if they're, willing to work with you to be able to try this box. All right. Once again, as always, I appreciate so much that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me here. So thank you. But more importantly, during this time, I want everybody to continue to stay safe and stay well. And I'll see you all soon in my next video. Take care and bye-bye for now.